So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the cheapest gas prices in your neighborhood. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Here, you have to go to this website that starts with GasBuddy.com. Be very careful with the URL. Once you go over there, let's just wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, here you're gonna see it will ask you to download an application in which you can easily calculate multiple gas prices. For example, if you want to calculate the trip cost for the gas price, or you can check the gas price map as well around your region, so that you can directly get the least cost for the gas prices around you. You can even search for the cheap gas by the state. For example, let's search for Albuquerque, Alabama, and once I search it, I'm going to find the cheapest gas prices around the state. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.